welcome on our sisterMAG Patterns YouTube channel. We love high fashion and couture, and of course that's why we also love the techniques for making those garments yourself. This is why we created this little YouTube tutorial on how to make a piped buttonhole, which is an extremely nice finish for any winter coat or jacket. So enjoy this video, let us know in the comments whether you have any more questions or what techniques you would like to see from us.
Mark the buttonholes on the left side of your fabric. Apply fusible interfacing to the buttonhole, marking on the wrong side of your garment. You would now also mark the buttonhole on the other side of the fold in the same distance. That could also, for example, be the facing of your jacket. Use needles to mark the buttonhole placement on the right side. Just go through the fabric and mark with a pencil. This will be the piping, so on your facing piece you'll also mark the buttonhole. Now you have to place facing on your buttonhole marking of the right side of your fabric so that they align perfectly. Pin facing to your fabric. And now let's move to the sewing machine. Sew around the buttonhole opening, approximately 3 mm from the seam line. Cut open on the wrong side. Stop around 5 mm from either end. You will then cut in around a 45-degree angle to the corners, right up to the last stitch. Be careful not to cut into the seam. This results in little triangles. Now pull facing through the opening. Press the seam allowance apart. If you're using leather or vegan leather or any other material that is going to face the heat, make sure to use a damp towel for pressing. Now align the edges of the facing around the seam allowance at an even width. It should be half of the height of the buttonhole opening. So what that means that the edges should meet but not overlap. Now baste so that the facing and the main fabric stay in place. Now, using a short straight stitch of your sewing machine, you sew facing and fabric in place. You'll sew along the long sides of the buttonhole. Now for the short sides, you'll turn everything around because you want to sew down the little triangles on each side. Now let's turn to your facing on the other side because you will need an opening there as well. So you'll sew a thin piece of cotton on the right side just like you did before around the buttonhole that you marked before. Cut open the same way, cut the ends in a 45-degree angle to create little triangles. And now pull the fabric facing through the opening. And press everything down. Fold at your fold line in order to align those two buttonholes. And now you can use a pick stitch in the groove of your seam to join both holes together. So that means you'll stitch through it once and then knot on the other side about 3 times. This is the inner side of your garment. Continue to do this for all 4 corners. And that's it, you're finished. We hope that you like your buttonholes and please do like this video or subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and see you soon on sistermagpatterns.com.